Boys on my back, tap my ride tap. Ninjas with me, niggas blowing stars at these bitches. Eating ramen noodles in the hood with my ninjas. I leave bitches wanna turn up cause I'm with my niggas. I'm an enemy.
Hey guys, it's Tori, and today I'm gonna be reviewing this wig. This is Outre's Crush from their Perfect Hairline collection, and I got this in 613. So this is my first time doing a hair video on YouTube, so excuse me if this is a little weird or if, I don't know, anything doesn't make sense, but anyways, this is my first time trying 613 hair, but I wanted to do it this summer, and summer is officially starting, so yes, this is how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna take her out of the box. This is my first time taking her out of the box as well. Let me get the scissors to cut it. And then I'll just go over some of the details about this hair with you guys. So she comes with, of course, the little card, the care card, and the description card. So like I said, this is 613. It says fully hand-tied 13x6 frontal. You guys probably can't see it, sorry about that. No plucking required. Baby hair is 6-inch deep parting, soft Swiss lace. There's an elastic band in there as well, and it's heat friendly up to 400 degrees. So let's see. First, let me take this little card off as well. I'm gonna snip this real quick. Okay, and also I have bought some wig caps, but I bought it in brown because I usually buy nude, but I thought maybe, because I saw some other YouTubers using brown, I thought maybe it would suit me better, but obviously it looks a little off from black on me, so it's a little too dark. Okay, now she is way too long for me, so I'm definitely gonna have to cut her down. This also, by the way, is a synthetic unit. This is the first time in a while that I bought a fully synthetic unit. I have been actually buying human synthetic blends just because I feel like they last a little bit longer, but I kind of, you know, I had a 613 human hair blend in my cart too, but then I saw a YouTube video on this one and I was like, we have to cop. I am very intimidated by this. I have never done blonde. This is a color that's going to have to grow on me, but simultaneously I'm excited. I've been wanting to do blonde for literally like 3 years now, and we're finally gonna do it. So first I'm just gonna take her completely out of the box. Like I said, she is very long. Let me back up really quick, hold up. Yeah. Now let me just slide her on without cutting the lace. Oh, okay. Wait, let me show you guys really quick the inside of the cap. There is a lot, like it definitely is 13x6. It goes around the sides. There's combs here, as well as a comb in the back, and the elastic band. So let's pop her on real quick. There also are, from what I can see, is this my hair? Girl, I don't know, but there's some black hair right there. And I never used an elastic band before, so stick with me for a second. Okay. A few hairs stuck under the lace, just 1 second. And also, it did say they're baby hairs, but girl, these baby hairs are long. Those are gonna have to get cut down. There's a mirror behind, so that's what I'm looking at, by the way. Oh my god. I cannot. That's the only word I know right now. I cannot. Let me get these little hairs from under the lace. Ooh. And she's definitely gonna have to get cut because sis, I live in California. It's summertime. Me and all this hair are gonna have some problems. But while I'm running my fingers through it, it feels really good. Like, obviously it is synthetic, so there is gonna be a point where it's gonna start getting snaggy, but for now, like, the tangles are non-existent. I don't know how I feel about the like curl pattern, this wave pattern. I feel like I might end up straightening it just because I don't know, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna cut the lace real quick. I think I'm gonna do it off camera for the sake of not driving myself insane, but I'm gonna cut the lace and I'll be back. Okay, so I did cut the lace, and like, she's not secured yet, she's not laid down, but she's like on my head really well. And let's talk about this frontal, okay? Outre snapped. They really snapped. Let's check out the parting space really quick. It's a lot of hair for me, like, so look at that, look at that. Wow. Period. I kind of just like mine to the side, but, and then I am gonna lay some baby hairs real quick though, because the no baby hair look is sending me. So let me do that. I'm kind of confused on how I want to part it though. In the middle, if I part it in the middle, I'm gonna have to lay it though, because I don't like when it looks, you know, thick like that. The hair quality is nice though. Look at that, a piece of the lace on my eyelash. And these lashes completely and you see there's a bit of shedding. I don't know if this is hair that I cut off when I was cutting the lace, but there is a little bit of shedding. But these lashes, completely unrelated, these lashes are from AliExpress. I think I got them for like $3 for a 4-pack, and they're really nice. We stand. And so yeah, I'm gonna take my Got To Be Freeze Blast spray really quick. I just bought this the same day that I bought the wig, so yeah, she's fresh. And I also bought this wig, this edge brush, so I'm gonna do that really quick. Let's find where the edges are. How about that? It said baby hair, but like, there's not really no baby hair, sis. They capping on that one. I'm kind of like stressed out about doing this on camera in the weirdest way. I don't know why, but I am. So I kind of want to do my edges off camera, but like, y'all know how to lay edges. Ain't no secret formula to it. I also need to turn the camera off because I'm about to turn this fan on because it's hot up in here and I'm not going to be able to talk. So, you know, as a matter of fact, I'll turn the fan on and I'll just do my edges without talking because there's not much to say. Y'all know how edges work. rusty, and that's because I was just trying to do it real quick. Like, it's already like 6 o'clock, so, but it's okay. It's not that bad. Let me take my hair clips out real quick. And these hair clips are so cute, but they're so hard to get in and out, which makes me actually hate them. And obviously with blonde hair, like, I have makeup on, so that kind of got on my edges, but like, it's okay. She's still cute. Okay, I'm like fangirling over my own self right now. Let me part this real quick. And as you can see, there is a tangle right there. But like I said, to be expected from synthetic hair. So let me put this hair clip in right here. This hair is low-key all over the place. This is why I cannot deal with long hair, but we're gonna see how long I can deal with it before I chop like half of it off. It is low-key getting on me. We are having a mental breakdown, but it's okay. I'm gonna pull out these ones that keep getting in my face. Let me just put this necklace on. This necklace I also got from Ali. It's just a little Playboy bunny necklace. We have to stand. Wait, thumbnail. So basically, guys, yeah, this video was a mess. As you can tell, I had absolutely no idea what I was doing. Your girl does not know how to do hair videos, but I tried. If you liked it, hit that like, leave a comment, let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if I should cut it, because girl, look at this. It's down my waist. Some of these inches are definitely gonna have to get snipped, but I currently love this, and I'll update you guys with how I feel about it, like once it starts getting a mess. And I say once because, you know, like I said, she's synthetic, so there's gonna be a point where she does become a mess. But for now, let me do a spin. I have absolutely no idea what the back looks like. I have not looked at it yet. Hopefully it does not look too crazy, but yeah. Wearing a black shirt when I'm doing blonde hair probably was not the smartest idea I've had. Oh, but wow, we have to stand. Outre snapped. 613 is a summer hot girl wave. I really have nothing else to say. Like I said, this video is a mess. It was all over the place. I have absolutely no idea what I was doing, but I haven't done a video in a while anyways. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it. If you did, you already know what to do. And subscribe if you want to see more of my content. See y'all later. Bye.